Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we are going to see Algorand and some important stuff, non-biased technical analysis. Before we begin, join the monthly subscription. I have the link in the description down below. Buy me a coffee/Mind Your Crypto. You will get a manual and an automated system with buying and selling opportunities. You will know exactly when to buy and exactly when to sell your altcoins, and you will get easy profits. Also, you will get market updates, personal guidance, educational videos, and many more benefits. I am here every day for you, and you can join in right now and you can cancel anytime you like. Join our Telegram group chat as well and hit the like button and subscribe if you like the content. Let's proceed quickly into the technical analysis. Here you can see we are having a lower high pattern, okay, and we have the same lows around 1.55 to 1.60 Tether USD. So we are having these prices right there, and we want to see where are we going from now on. We are having some lower highs, same lows. Do we do that or this? Okay, so we will discuss every detail about Algorand right there, and let's see a little bit the Algorand, the 1.55, the USDT support level that we are holding right now, and of course the 1.76.44, the next resistance levels, along with the EMAs 1.91 and 2 Tether USD for the short term. The volume here is decreasing on the 4-hour frame. You can see it is dropping much on Algorand, and let's go a little bit to the MACD that it is having some lower highs and lower low pattern. We are hoping that maybe we can have a bullish recross and go upwards again, but it doesn't look so good now. Let's go to the risk metrics. You can see that every time we are going above the 50-day MA, when we are on a bearish market, we are having a sell pressure, okay? Every time we are doing that, we are going down. Of course, you can see that, but the thing for the Algorand is that we do not lose so much this support level right here. This is good, but it doesn't also mean that we are perfectly bullish for Algorand. Okay, we will discuss about the chances of going upwards and the chances of going downwards. Right now, on the 4-hour frame, what do we have? We have nothing in an oversold situation, so we cannot go right now into buying, but you can see a pattern on the RSI as well, with some higher lows, okay, and lower highs. Eventually, we are getting into a squeeze point, maybe even for the RSI to decide if we go upwards or downwards. So the 4-hour frame, you can see on the commodity channel index, we are not holding any oversold or any overbought situation. Same for the stochastic RSI and same for the Fisher transform, that it was in an oversold, but now it's going a little bit upwards. Although you can see that we didn't have so much quick pump up right there, we are dropping a little bit more on the 4-hour frame for Algorand. Let's go to the daily frame. On the daily frame, we are below the 20-day MA, finding some sell pressure, but we are above the 50-day MA as well. So we are not holding any significant risk right there. On the other hand, you can see that on the daily frame, stochastic RSI is below the 20, so we are in an oversold situation. Same for the Fisher transform, we are near an extreme oversold situation on the daily frame, and the commodity channel index just went above the -100 for Algorand, so it is looking pretty good and pretty fine. You can see the RSI as well, but the RSI is not having a low here around 30, because we would like to see the RSI going near the 30 level. However, it is not always the case that we are finding a bottom around here, okay? As for the RSI on the daily frame, we might be finding a bottom around there and continue our way upwards. So we have to see other metrics right there, and the first thing we check is the daily and the 20-day MA. The bad thing here is that we are finding some sell pressure on the 20. The good thing is that we are above the 50-day MA for now. Let's open up a little bit the SSL hybrid in case we have buying opportunity. SSL hybrid is doing badly, okay? I believe that on the bearish markets it can't identify buying opportunities, buying entries so good. You can see here we had a buying opportunity, selling opportunity here, so we should use it as a stop loss. But anyway, it isn't doing so good in many altcoins I have seen. And let's close the SSL hybrid for now and go to the Bollinger bands. So we are in the bottom line of the Bollinger bands, near the bottom line actually. You can see top line is going down, bottom line is going a little bit sideways. Let's see where are we going for Algorand. A very difficult task right there we have, and let's go to the Algorand Bitcoin chart to make things clear. Soon we will make all things more clear to you. Let's go and see that we have as our next target, of course, the 0.404594. We have a little bit of a same pattern as the Algorand USDT chart. You can see that we are dropping, we are having some lower highs, but in overall we are managing to have the same low around this area of the 0.40s, I think 37 around there. Let's see the price label, we have 37.91. You can see that we want to hold this position and start to outperform Bitcoin. You can see that on the start on the Algorand Bitcoin chart we are having a same bottom on the RSI, and you can see we're having a lower high, so we are getting into a squeeze point for the RSI pattern as well. We are not holding any major oversold situation to tell that we are going from there upwards all the way. Okay, you can see that Algorand is underperforming against Bitcoin right now on the 4-hour frame, had a little bit of a red candlestick. Let's see how this will close out and go to the daily frame. On the daily frame, same story. We have a sell pressure on the 20-day EMA, although as you can see, we are pretty fine and we are better than the Algorand USDT on the daily frame. You can see right here we are close to the 50-day EMA, but right now we are not close in the 50-day EMA, although we are finding a little bit of a sell pressure for the first time after around, let's see, 3rd August. Okay, so for the first time around this area right here, we are having a little bit of a sell pressure on the 20-day EMA. Let's see how this day will close out. Okay, we might have an inverse hammer candlestick and we might be getting upwards. This will be very good for Algorand. Let's see about this candlestick pattern, and let's see if we will have this candlestick pattern with an inverse hammer here as well. We will see about that, but at the moment we are finding some huge sell pressure on the 20-day EMA. On the 4-hour frame, as you can see, let's put the price labels again here. On the 4-hour frame, we are having a little bit over risk in terms of the 50-day EMA. You can see that it is not easy to go above the 50-day EMA and start our journey upwards. Okay, although we have something that we might like around here. Okay, let's use a pattern like here, right here, that I will use for the first time. It is the XABCD pattern, harmonic patterns as we are seeing. Okay, so we will be using it from this low or this low. Okay, let's use it from this low, XAB, okay, C and D. Usually these patterns are bullish. Okay, usually these patterns are bullish, but I do not know if this will happen for sure, because on this time we are going yet upwards, so we have more chances of using the harmonic pattern to break above, and of course we have more chances because on the daily frame we have a little bit of an oversold situation on the stochastic RSI. Okay, but in the drop down, when we are dropping down, we are not using the stochastic RSI first. In a bearish market, we are using mostly the RSI and the commodity channel index. Commodity channel index is near the bottom, but the RSI is not. However, let's see the Bitcoin chart as well. On the Bitcoin, you will see that we need to hold this line right here and start making our way upwards. Yes, if Bitcoin gets bullish, then Algorand will get bullish too. Of course, we will have a major change on Bitcoin around 1st October, start of October, and we will be seeing about that. For Algorand right now, as you can see, we are having the pattern right here that we are holding above the 50-day EMA. Let's go on the 4-hour frame. Right now, we are holding a little bit. We are having the 20-day EMA as our sell pressure in the 50-day EMA, and we have many obstacles to go through. However, there is a bullish pattern here that might be getting upwards. So the chances that we get upwards instead of going downwards are 65 to 35. Okay, and as I'm talking about downwards and upwards, what I mean is that we should not be losing probably this area. Okay, we have 65% more chances of going upwards and 35 of losing the support area. Okay, this will mean that if we lose the support area, Bitcoin will go to 37,000, 38,000 Tether USD before making a swing high. Okay, if Bitcoin goes down to 37, 38,000 Tether USD, our price targets we have for Bitcoin actually, then we will be going down for Algorand as well. Next price targets, in case we go upwards, 1.76, 1.92, 2.03, around there for Algorand. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to join the monthly subscription to get easy profits and learn technical analysis, and see you soon with many more videos. Bye.